Yeah, let's do it.
So I get to ride bitch in the back.
Yeah.
Let's put the tallest one. Oh, look.
Are we allowed to take this or no?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
One sec.
Rear seat test.
I don't know if anyone's done this before.
So they have.
So this is Matt from Downshift. And David, you have a little channel, right?
That dude in blue.
Oh yeah,
Right.
I think he does little videos as well. Little fun little, it's a hobby, right?
You could say that.
We are in the 2025 GR Corolla manual, and David is gonna take us around Charlotte Motor Speedway.
Yeah, we're going for a fun run.
Yeah, just it's almost like a sprint lap, I would say.
No, you're upselling me too much. No, hey, we're gonna go at a fun speed.
I'm trying to set you up for failure.
Yeah, probably.
This is quality pace.
Are you in the middle?
I'm in the middle, dude.
You know what I
This
just
is
realized?
the first ever GR Corolla rear seat racing helmet test, and I'm
Yeah.
gonna say at 6'1".
Not good.
This is my back
Yeah, maybe
straight.
you should be in the front. I'm just saying.
To behind David though.
I
Do you need to move?
Okay. Is this gonna throw off your weight balance?
Somewhat. Yeah. No. I did 4 deep at the launch event in Utah.
Well, you two
Yeah.
probably equal me, so you're good. We're actually perfectly balanced right now.
Yeah, it's like if you've ever been in a boat, no one can sit all on one side.
Yeah.
You gotta balance the distribution.
Why is it yelling?
That's because of my
Seatbelt.
Oh, see, because you move seats.
Here.
Seriously?
Oh, there we go.
Okay, he turned it on.
We
All right.
good. Yeah, no, I just realized that when it comes to giving like ride-alongs on track, I think this car is the one I've given like the most people total, like all at once, you know?
Yeah.
Wild.
You should be hired on as like the official.
I would not mind that if you're listening, Toyota. Please. I'm a freak of nature. I'll drive all day. I am the guy that they have to put on the bus to get back to the hotel every single time.
Well, you didn't even eat lunch yet.
No,
he's
I'm
just been driving. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's funny, a lot of the instructors here today have seen me at previous events, and they've been giving me a hard time this whole time,
nice.
going, those cones are for you, David. I'm like, no, they're not. I literally follow the speed limit exactly on the bank. Like, every time I hit 85 today, stop. Like, I've been very disciplined.
Yes. Okay, follow the rules here.
Yeah.
We're upstanding gentlemen of respect.
And honestly, 85 in this thing for all skill levels is more than enough.
Yeah.
More hitchhikers.
You are picking them up.
Yeah,
Skip, hop in for a ride. Come on.
Okay, I'll see you guys. You guys are the saints, man. Look at this.
Just hop in.
Oh, dude. Maybe on the last one.
On the last one.
On the
I'm
last
just
one,
gonna
let's
keep
do
driving.
it.
Just let me know.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know when we're good.
30 to 1, there's something going on.
Huh?
So the track shuts down for like 30 minutes.
Oh, sure.
Dude,
Shuts down.
give
Oh.
them laps. Yeah.
Here we go. As the car goes silent. I've been taking that corner way too wide.
Gotta be honest, the seat bolstering's not doing much back here.
I was gonna ask, how's the back seat?
It's good if you don't care about where your head is gonna be. It's all good.
Oh,
Cone.
cone!
Oh, jeez. Is it just me or does there feel like there's more front end in the car this year?
I'll be honest, we got 3 homies in here, so it might be that too.
I could have, that gear, excuse me. I should have been in second on that one, but that's okay.
I'll dock you points, but not that many. I'll just knock you down a letter grade, you're fine.
Well, like when he started talking, I was like, I can't focus. But that's okay. We're just having a nice driving Miss Daisy lap in the GR Corolla.
Yeah, there you go.
It's like a spa day in the back of the GR Corolla. Nice leisurely pace.
Man, someone really racked these cones.
Dude, no, like honestly, I think what's happened is my theory. They're overthinking it and they start
Gotcha.
staring at the cone.
Yeah.
And that creates target fixation, right? So you just you go right into it.
Yeah.
Let yourself flow, man.
All right.
Yeah. What was the cone? It was on the other side, right? That
Yeah,
was like
yeah.
in the way almost.
Yeah.
We should probably let them know
we'll
about
tell
that.
them.
I hate to be like guy trying
Yeah.
to track it. but
Well,
you
someone
do
might
it.
hit it, and that
Yeah.
would not be bueno.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 8.6 now.
Or
So.
to the right,
It's not
yeah.
in a safe spot.
Oh, 8.6 available? Yeah. Let's do it. That one cone.